Greetings, this is Sean Chumbar, and this is my demo video for the Part A fine tuning. In this section, we are to fine tune with the open weights LLM modules. We'll clearly explain in video how this works, what are the input format and dataset used, etc. So to start off, here's my collab, which has already been uploaded here, and we'll talk about what's going on. So the first thing to do is to install the packages unsloth, import torch. Um, Here we are going ahead and initializing the model, and then here getting the PEFT model and setting up these parameters here. In this section, this is the data preparation step. Please notice that we have to have a EOS token here, and this function handles formatting the prompts. The dataset we're using is the Llama alpaca cleaned dataset. The next step is to train the model, and you'll see here these are the arguments that we have to the trainer function right here. This shows the current memory stats. I ran this on NVIDIA A100, which had a max memory of 39.564 gigabytes. Here's the trainer stats. Here's the trainer training. This is the final memory and time stats. It took about 103 seconds for training, 1.73 minutes used for training. The peak reserved memory was 7.355 gigs, and the peak reserved memory for training was 4.658 gigs. Here's some examples of inference. So here we continue the Fibonacci sequence, and you'll see here that it gives us the sequence of 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55. This one's just showing the text streamer for continuous inference. This is the coding example. So in this case, we pass in the instruction of create whatever the user requests. The input is create a Python function called isOdd that returns true or false if the number is odd. And their implementation was right here. Lastly, we have text generation. So it says create whatever the user requests. Create a story about a squirrel that finds a peanut, then gets chased by a dog. And you'll see here, the response is one day a squirrel was walking through the forest when he came across a peanut. He was so excited to find such a delicious treat that he couldn't help but stop and eat it. As he was enjoying his snack, he heard a rustling sound in the bushes. He looked up and saw a dog coming towards him. And lastly, we just save save and load the fine-tuned models. And if we wanted to load the LoRa adapters we just saved for inference, we can set the false to true here, but I went ahead and did not do that. So that is it. That is my demo for Assignment 3 Part A. Thank you very much.